such a nice car. Don't lift through here. Woohoo! Woo! We were just talking off camera about how beautiful red this is. You could say that this is actually more Ferrari than actual Ferrari right now. Can we make Ferrari jokes? I think we can, definitely. Because this actually revs as well. Gives lots of emotion. If this video comes out, means I haven't been assassinated by Ferrari yet. Everything is possible. But we have today EP3, and I like your shirt. So actually, look at that. It's actually, yeah, very, very matching. It is like the car that made me buy my Honda or decide to build one and spend lots of money and nerves and time, etc. So blame it not on this particular one, but on EP3. And this one, we already done a lap, and it's emotional, well sorted, and just like the video that's featured on that t-shirt, we included pedal cam on this one for you to watch, to see, to comment, to like, to dislike, to tell me how to drive better. Do it, because all of these things are good for engagement and keeps videos going, and everyone needs to see how great these cars are. Anyway, as you can see, I'm quite awake and talkative. We have air ones, we have brakes, Diasuno brake pads, and we have some Polish suspension. Yeah, you said
it's MTS Technic. They built specific suspension for this car on this car. They were looking for an EP3 to build a prototype.
Yeah.
And I asked, they can use my car, so I offered them, and like a reward, they give me the suspension.
Oh, nice, nice. Well, from my part, I can say it was really, really, really good. It was a bit on the soft side, which was perfect for the bumpy Nürburgring Nordschleife. So it was actually spot on. Maybe for the GP track it would be maybe a bit too soft. Is it adjustable? Can you click?
Just the height.
Just the height.
Just
okay.
the height. Yeah.
But yeah, for what it was, suspension was absolutely spot on. The only thing I personally would want is to have. Oh, look at that! Oh. I would want more aero. No, joking. This was actually good as is. I would want a bit spicier alignment setup, because right now the car has tow in on the back, because you drove all the way from Poland.
Yes.
Yeah, with the whole family, so you want the car to be stable on a highway and also a bit on track. But for me, I would prefer a bit more rotation to kill that understeer, but then the car would be a bit too nervous maybe, so that's just my own preference. Everything else was really, really, really nice. Can you open the bonnet, like just to see what's there? Other than that, is the wing stock or is it different?
It's a Mugen copy.
Okay, because
it's made from ABS, so it's not that wavy like the fiberglass.
Yeah.
And the fitment was spot on.
Yeah, I think it's quite. I think it's quite good. Yeah. So we had also child seat on the back because, as mentioned, you came with the family. Ah, you did. Yeah. Ah, okay. Oh yeah.
Safe side, it's
yeah.
building.
That's good. Oh, nice. We have some heat protection, heat deflection, VTEC, of course, strut bar. Oh, there you go. We have like suspension with camber adjustment, camber top mounts, solid mounts. Very, very good. Everything is very, very good. Axle radiator, coil rad, and yeah, you said it's also slightly modified, like 240.
Like a full exhaust manifold and 2.5 inch all the way back. It's straight pipe intake, because for the K series the straight intake is like from tuner side, it's the best weight, so it's a 3.5 inch, and it's tuned and it's mapped for 240.
Yeah, it sounds about right, and that's what it was. It's you're missing, of course, a bit the torque of a K24 to go uphill, but it was very nice to keep it high up in the revs. That's the challenge. We're shifting around 8. I think the car can go like 8.5, maybe even on
8.6. The best in like a graph is 8.4. You can keep more the most power.
Yeah.
Shifting at 8.4.
Yeah. Well, sometimes maybe I'm a bit too enthusiastic. Right now, maybe I was a bit too careful. It was still a fantastic lap, so didn't miss out on any revs. We did, but we didn't. So because it was still good. Watch out! Don't burn your hand.
Yeah.
Checking if it's
the
hot.
air filter, is it hot or no?
Hopefully not, because otherwise this whole tape is not doing anything.
there's extra like a cooling from here.
Ah,
There's
okay.
a pipe direct to the air filter.
Nice, nice. Well, fantastic. Hey, thank you so much. I'm happy we could make it happen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It was his dream, and we are here to make his dream come true, and the little one as well. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank
Well,
you.
you have a happy car, but forget about the car. You have an awesome family, so that's the
Thank
best
you.
thing. All right. Well, you guys enjoy the lab. Welcome aboard of an EP3. We have something that we haven't had the rest of the season. Couple of things. First of all, I'm wearing directed gloves. There were 1 or 2 people really getting annoyed in the comments, like almost started calling words that I'm putting the gloves on after. It's because I usually need to put the season card back in my pocket, not to forget it, but I understand the frustration. The second thing, we have a pedal cam. After the last Honda video that was posted, which was with FD2, that deserves a pedal cam. Most of the time it brings lots of challenges because the cam might fall off. And also like if it's busy traffic, woohoo! Then the rear view camera adds some excitement, but now we have actually empty track, so might as well entertain you with some footwork. So yeah, it will take me usually about half a lap to get used to the pedal position. Oh, that was such a nice slide. We are on Nankang Air ones, so it takes a bit time to warm them up, and after that, just a lift and flat. Let's go! Woohoo! That was so nice. That was good. And flat. Just deciding to lift here because it makes no sense to upshift and downshift. So, interesting feature. In the past, I used to do lots of left foot braking, but oh, that was a good rotation. But now actually, when we have 3 pedals, I almost stopped doing that because I prioritize the seat stability over 0.05 seconds of the lap time game or throttle gain or whatever. Can we? Yes, we can. Can we? We can. Big drop in RPM because very long 6 gear, unfortunately. But so far, such a nice car. Don't lift through here. Woohoo! So nice. That was pretty good. I really like this. I like that we're on Air ones because did you see the big eagle? Because it's not as grippy as a CRS on. Oh, sad. Not as grippy as CRS, so allows us quite some rotation. First time driving this car, so didn't get the what do I want to call it? The gearing correctly for the now forced. Not great, not terrible. Great setup. We're out of VTEC. Should have maybe put it in 3rd. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That was like millimeter work. Just gently lift and on the gas. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. So nice. So nice. Second gear, please. Was not completely in. That's what she said. But better not completely in than in the wrong one, huh? I'm talking about gearbox. Misshifting is bad for your health. Apologize for the little curb. E92. I see intercooler on it. Maybe just a big... Drafting. However, with this weather, drafting is very bad for the cooling of the car. I've noticed. Fast taxi coming up. We're gonna kill the momentum now with 6th gear. Keeping it through high revs. Not gonna upshift to 6th here. One more car, come on. Oh, there's the M3. Woo. We might have a very fun second half of the lap. Bit of understeer. Went in a bit too hot. Through the 3rd or 2nd through the carousel, probably. Let's start with 3rd. Let's see what happens. Come on. Once we're on top of the hill, it's gonna get fun. Just a few more corners. This is so nice. As I'm getting used to the car. No, yellow. That was very like late. This yellow was very unexpected. I mean, you saw it, and then directly after you had the full marshal shenanigans. Shenanigans is probably the bad word, but it's my first lap of the day. I still need to wake up. People have been a bit concerned about my sleep, or the lack of it. Actually, I'm quite very good. I had 2 videos this season where I was sleepy. They were filmed on the same day, and those were the only ones. And for the rest, we got into the 2nd one. Today, I had a very good nap. Come on. Toe in the air. Come on, point and shoot. Woo! Track surface. Come on! Woo! I told you the second half is going to be amazing. Yes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the heel and toe. Not always perfect, then again, first time driving this car, I need to get used to it a bit. Woo! Yeah. Absolutely loved it. It's an EP3, a very well sorted one, who had a fantastic lap, put a huge smile on my face. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. Like, okay, on all the seriousness, I think the car is perfectly balanced. Like, really, you saw it. I didn't need to brake too much. I could just lift. Even if I went into hot, I could still, like, kind of save it. The only thing I personally would want, sharper turning. So probably play with toe. Camber, it has enough corner grip, but just for the toe, maybe toe out in the back, because right now it's actually in, so it makes it very stable. But I personally very like the rotational rear, especially on front wheel driven cars. But for someone who is not used to it, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. It doesn't give any confidence because the back end is loose. But when your tires are good and set, you just know what they're gonna do or not gonna do. Just counter steer a bit and have good vibes. Again, that would be the only thing that I would change on it. It's like sharper turning, bigger rotation, because we did suffer from understeer, and I know you can have like DC5 vibes, because Integra DC5 has a very loose back end from factory, and because it's such a long wheelbase, it's also more confident when you have the back end stepping out more. So that would be the only thing that I would personally change for this car, if it would be my car to drive it, to be more aggressive. And again, it's not for everyone. It's fine to have a bit more understeer to make sure that you're not putting it in the wall. But for my driving style, I like it spicy. Yeah. No, this was nice. This was freaking nice. Yeah. Is there anything missing aside from that? Pierogi. Oh, 9 to 8. That's the next one we will be driving. Very, very nice. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for this wake up lap. Although I was awake, like my brain was awake, thanks to creatine. Did you know that there have been studies? Maybe RTR wants to go out. There have been studies with sleep deprived people, and 8 grams of creatine actually eliminates effects of sleep deprivation. So me, us, and a lot of other parents have been saved a lot by creatine. Not only is good for gains, but also for mental stuff, and a lot of other things actually in general. Oh, something fell off.
That's okay.